Welcome back. If you're joining me from part 1, it's good to have you back. If this is your first time, you'll want to start with part 1 first. The link is in the description below. In this video, we're finishing the coffee cup. We'll make the handle, join the cup and the inner drink together, stuff it, and sew on the handle to complete it. Let's pick up right where we left off. We'll start with the handle, that small piece that gives this cup so much personality. Round 1, chain 4, single crochet in the second chain from your hook, then single crochet in the next 2 chains. Chain 1, then work back along the other side of the chain. Single crochet in the next 4 stitches, you'll have 8 stitches. Rounds 2 through 18, single crochet around all 8 stitches for each round. This builds up a soft, sturdy tube. Just breathe and let the rounds come. Round 19, decrease 4 times to the end. You should have 4 stitches remaining. And now to sew on the handle. Flatten the handle piece and position it on the right side of the cup, wherever feels balanced to you. Fold on one side to shape the handle. Using your yarn needle and the long tail, sew it on securely at both ends with small, even stitches. Now for the most satisfying part, bringing the cup and the inner drink together. With your main color, align the inner drink piece over the opening of the cup. Working into the back loop of the cup's top edge and the front loop of the inner drink at the same time, join and chain 1. And single crochet all the way around to join both pieces together. Before you close it up completely, gently fill the cup with stuffing, a little at a time, firm enough to hold its shape, but not too tight that it pulls at the stitches. Then finish single crocheting around it to close it. Join and fasten off. Now for the top edging. With your main color, join the yarn into the front loops left free along the top opening of the cup. Single crochet all the way around for a smooth, professional finish. Join and fasten off. That little edge makes such a difference. The cup looks complete and beautifully finished. Weave in all your ends. Trim the yarn, and then hold it just for a moment. And it's done. Something small and handmade, something that didn't exist before you sat down across these two videos. The written pattern is linked in the description below, and if you like to keep crocheting, there's another project waiting for you at the end of this video. Thank you for being here in part 1 and in part 2. Until next time, and take care of yourself.